When it comes to woodworking, a combination square is an incredibly versatile tool. Its uses range from leveling to marking and measuring. We're going to have a look at the best selections for your woodworking needs. There are plenty of different measuring tools that you can use, but the combination square has the most varied use. You can use it to measure depth and length, and it can also be used to check squares and 45-degree angles. Today's video is about the top 5 best combination square woodworking based on extensive research and testing. We've got you covered. I've included a link in the description box below. Number 1. Starrett Combination Square 11H124R. This combination square can measure up to 12 inches and is constructed to the highest standard. It has a tempered hardened steel blade, which means it is durable. The measurement markings on the tool are etched onto the surface by a machine, which means that they won't wear off. There is also a reversible lock bolt, meaning that the person using the tool can switch to the blade part without having to remove the nut. It has a cast iron head and a corrosion-resistant black finish. The bearing surfaces are finely ground, ensuring that the angles are accurate. It also has a bubble level and scriber included as well. This tool does require quite an investment. It is great for professional engineers and woodworkers. So, if this is you, then we highly recommend this Starrett product. Pros: bubble level included, reversible lock bolt, scribe included, measures up to 12 inches. Cons: quite costly. Number 2. Irwin Tools 12 Combination Square. This combination square also measures up to 12 inches, making it a huge competitor for the Starrett Combination Square. On top of this, it is also a much more reasonable price, further making it a competitor to our best overall. It comes with a blade that is entirely rust-proof and made from stainless steel. The measurements are etched onto the tool in 4R scales. The body is also corrosion-resistant thanks to its die-cast zinc. A bubble level is also included and in a position where taking readings is easy because it isn't obstructed by anything. A scriber is also included. I build furniture and other things out of wood. I have always had a large square, but never a small one. I use this all the time now. Well made. Would buy again. Bought a second. Gave it to my son. Pros: rust-proof blade. Measurements etched on. Measures up to 12 inches. Bubble level and scriber included. Cons: no reversible lock bolt. Number 3. iGaging 12 Combination Square. This premium combination square option comes in 3 different sizes, including 6-inch, 12-inch, and 24-inch measurements. Each of these vary in size, so your choice depends on your unique situation. The measurements are etched onto the stainless steel blade in 1/8, 1/16, 1/32, and 1/64-inch increments. This is only the start of this amazing 4-piece toolset. With markings like these, you are looking at an incredibly precise measuring tool. It comes with 3 different tool heads, each with their own unique uses. One head is similar to what we've already seen, including a bubble level and scriber. Another is a centering head that comes with 90-degree jaws to sit on the edge of a cylindrical or round piece. Lastly, there's a head that comes with a protractor. This is capable of adjusting to 180 degrees and is entirely reversible. All of this comes in a handy ergonomic case to be easily transported and put away. Pros: protractor head included, centering tool included, bubble level and scriber included, precise measurements. Cons: better suited for professional use. Number 4. WORKPRO Rafter and Combination Square. This combination square has a stainless steel blade that has etched measurements in 1 mm and 1/32-inch increments. It has a die-cast zinc head that includes a scriber and bubble level. This is a pretty versatile option when it comes to choosing a combination square. However, its main selling point is its use for marking out measurements. Professional carpenters often make use of a rafter or speed square. You will find that there are spacings and angles that can be used for most measuring instances. The rafter square also comes with slots for the user's pencil to be able to fit into. This combination square is quite thick at 13/64 inches. It also comes with a fence that can be easily used as a guide for a circular saw. The rafter square is die-cast from heavy gauge aluminum alloy, which enables it to last long and still give an accurate measurement. The combination ruler itself is die-cast from zinc alloy and carries a steel ruler made of stainless steel with a matte finish. Pros: comes with a rafter square. Most versatile for marking. Best variety of measurements. Bubble level and scriber included. Cons: may be overwhelming outside of professional use. Number 5. TICOFTECH Combinaton Square. The majority of combination squares use a 4R marking system, and this tends to be the most sought after. However, when it comes to using the tool for DIY purposes, it is most likely that you're going to want to be able to measure in 1/64-inch increments. This tool includes scales for 1/5 and 1/16 inches on one side of the blade and 1 mm on the other side. The TICOFTECH measurement blade is very easy to read and is a great option for those who like to do their woodworking at home. The blade is made from stainless steel, which is hardened and a lot more durable than other chrome finished options. The head is also die-cast and includes a scriber and bubble level. When it comes to using a scriber, you are only able to make marks on sheet metal and not on wood. Unfortunately, the sharp end of the scriber actually digs into the wood and doesn't tend to make clear or straight lines. So, for this, a user will prefer to rely on a pencil. Luckily, this product comes with 2 carpenter's pencils for this exact purpose. Pros: 2 carpenter's pencils included. Great for DIY. Options for measuring increments. 12-inch blade. Cons: doesn't use the regular 4R measuring system. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.